Okay, so I've just received this package and it should be a puzzle, so let's open it up. Okay, so this is really nicely packaged, and for some weird reason they've put a disc in the packaging, which is it's like a Disney film or something, Oliver and Company, never heard of it. Got no idea why they've put that in the package, that's pretty weird. And there's like a card. Oh, it says, "Dear customer, I would like to thank you for purchasing this item from us. As you are a valued customer, I've included a free gift with this item. I hope you enjoy it." So that will be the free gift, so that's nice of them. And this is a Rubik's World. This just looks like a really fun, cool puzzle. It's basically a 2x2. So let's take a look at the packaging. Try and get it all on camera. So it says ages 7+, and it says, "You've got the whole world in your hands, now scramble it to your heart's content, then try to rearrange its 8 pieces to put the continents back to where they belong." Looks easy, right? Well, even if you don't restore order, the world will still look great when you put it back on its handy stand and evoke lots of conversation. A challenging new puzzle from the makers of the world famous Rubik's Cube. And there it says, "Start like this." Then it says, "With a few twists and turns you'll have this, or this. Keep solving. Hooray, you've done it." So I'm not sure when these first came out, but they are quite hard to find. I got this off Amazon because I couldn't find any on eBay, and this, including the postage and packing, this cost about £6.50 altogether, so I think that's not a bad price because I think these usually go for about £8. But let's open it up anyway. Don't really want to destroy the packaging because I'm not sure if I do want to keep it or not. So just opening this packaging is a bit of a puzzle itself. Let's see. So yeah, there it is, and it spins round, and you can actually take it out of its stand. So it's more easier for solving. Let's see what it moves like. Just a bit stiff. But it may get a lot better once it's been broken in. So this is going to be a lot more harder to solve than the regular 2x2, since, you know, instead of colours you've got like consonants, so it's going to be hard knowing exactly where everything needs to go when it's properly scrambled. But yeah, I used to have a Danseng version of this, and some of the countries on the globe, they were like really stretched out and just looked wrong, so I just ended up putting it onto eBay and selling it. But this I'm really pleased with. It's a really nice, interesting puzzle. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.